In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use Pirate Ship with Shopify. We'll walk through everything you need to get the app installed, connect it to your store, and start fulfilling orders with discounted labels. This will be a clear, conversational walkthrough so you can follow along and get shipping set up quickly. To begin, open your Shopify admin and go to the Apps section. From there, click Visit the Shopify App Store and search for Pirate Ship. When you find it, select Add App and follow the on-screen prompts to install. If the app asks you to create a unique login, complete that step and choose a secure password. A quick tip here: install using an account with admin permissions so the app can access everything it needs. If anything seems unclear during installation, check for browser pop-ups or permission prompts and allow them so the app can finish installing. Next, switch to your Pirate Ship account to connect it to Shopify. Navigate to Settings and then Integrations, and choose Connect New Source. Select Shopify and follow the authorization prompts. You'll be granting Pirate Ship permission to access your store, so it can import orders and update tracking. Make sure you authorize fully, and if you run into any errors, try disabling pop-up blockers or using a different browser. It's also helpful to confirm that the email address on both accounts matches or is recognized as an admin for smoother authorization. Once the connection is active, Pirate Ship will import your unfulfilled orders. In Pirate Ship, go to the Import from Integration section and choose the orders you want to ship. Enter accurate package details, dimensions, weight, and the shipping service, because shipping costs and delivery estimates depend on this information. After reviewing costs, purchase the discounted shipping label through Pirate Ship. Print the label on a compatible printer. A thermal label printer is ideal, but standard laser printers work fine if you use super good adhesive labels. Affix the label securely to your package and drop it off at the carrier location you selected. After the label is purchased and the package is scanned by the carrier, tracking information will automatically sync back to the Shopify order. Allow a few minutes for the sync to appear in your Shopify order timeline. As a best practice, try this workflow with a single test order first, so you can confirm labels print correctly and tracking updates as expected. That's all. Install the app, connect it, import and ship your orders, and you'll be using Pirate Ship with Shopify in no time.